Hi, tell me about yourself.
Hello, uh, this is Furkan, and I completed masters in computer applications, and I am having around more than 8 years of experience in IT industry. So I'm attending an interview. Thank you. Hello.
Based on your expertise, what would you consider to be your primary skills relevant to this role?
Basically, uh, I didn't know that. First of all, this is a virtual round. I thought it is one-to-one round. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Furkan Beg, and I'm having more than 8 years of IT industry. Uh, Let me brief about myself that I have pursued my master's in computer applications in 2014. I started my IT industry, IT career in 2015. Jan. Uh, I am working as a senior software engineer in server storage, network, and virtualization. I started with Emphasis Private Limited in 2015, and I was working as a junior software engineer where I was assigned to configure the server storage setup for the sustenance products like controllers, drivers, firmwares, operating system. We used to test HDD, SSD, and DVD drives, which is already in the released in the market. So my actual work was to configure the setup to test the sustenance activities, updating the firmwares in different methodologies, and updating the drivers, installing the operating system on different platforms like the different controller versions like smart array controllers, socket controller, and the HP controllers, the storage controllers, and different servers with the different sizes of the HDD DVDs, creating the virtual environment like RAID, HPA, and creating the different rates like rate 0, 1, 5, 6, and 50, 60, 10, 0, 0, 1, and try some stress testing like focusing on the stress of the storage devices. Then I moved to client location where I worked in the HPE client location Madhavpura, Bangalore for almost more than 3 years, where I started with the integrated testing like on 2800, 2600, Sentosa quality. And then I moved back to emphasis. I started with a new career with networking, where we used to test the networking NIC controllers, and moonshot HPE, moonshot servers, like it is a chassis type of thing. And then I moved to energy technology services. I got a role of tech lead and team lead, where we used to test the Intel NIC cards like 1 gig, 10 gig, 20 gig, 40 gig, 100 gig AOC, dock module, LR, SR modules, QSF, PSFP module, and different methodologies. Where our focus was to load and unload the driver and initiate the NIC stress on iPerf, NetPerf, and then continuous voice reboot, where the NIC port is going down and come it is along with the negative testing. Then I moved to Delhi Internationals, where I am working as a senior system development engineer. Our main focus on HP controllers. We are focusing on the client issues, and we are working on the customer issues, which already customers has raised in the market. Our main focus is to update the firmwares and the drivers with the different methodologies like iTrack, operating system, and then through the utilities like Bug CLI, Store CLI. Our main focus is on to configure the setups as exactly as the customers which already are raised in the JIRA ticket in our local environment, and perform those same testing and create some the logs and analyze those logs. And I'm not moving the camera.